I'm Gary Wakeford, and I'm president of Syncro Medical Innovations. Syncro Medical Innovations is a startup medical device company, and what we have done is we've pioneered a very unique feeding tube that's used in critically ill patients. It's used primarily in patients that you'll find in the intensive care or the critical care setting. And what we've done is our proprietary technology gives the clinician a much easier way to place a small bowel feeding tube, which historically is a very difficult product to place. In the normal world, what's happening out there right now is that literally you can go from 12 to 24 to 36 hours, and remember, this is a very sick person, before you can get this tube properly placed in the duodenum, and you can start feeding them or into the small bowel. Because we use this creative, unique way to use the magnets, you can get that tube into position in 20 minutes. Take your one X-ray and immediately start feeding. So you're shortening this window of opportunity to help this patient from as long as 36 hours to as short as 20 or 30 minutes. Its beauty is in its simplicity, in that we have magnets on the distal tip of the tube, the feeding tube that actually goes down the patient's esophagus into the stomach. And we have a handheld magnet that you place on their stomach. And when one comes in connection with the other, the two magnets automatically find each other. There's a little light bulb on the outside of the patient that turns on saying, well, you've gained capture. Now by moving the external magnet and advancing the tube's naturally going to want to go where the magnet goes. The product is in the market. We're just now starting to ramp up sales of the product. And the thing that I'm most proud of is throughout this last 3-year period, it's been used very much at the burn unit of the Brooke Army Medical Center in San Antonio, Texas. So literally our feeding tube has been saving the lives of a lot of these soldiers that we're getting back from the two conflicts that are going on right now. And most people don't understand or realize that 20% of all clinical studies that are done in this country are done in the state of Ohio. Well, the Plus region, it just encompasses this area of northeastern Ohio. It's like a microcosm of everything you would need to successfully run a startup entrepreneurial endeavor. There's just a tremendous amount of good things going on here, and it's all things that as a company and a business owner, I'm going to need to find no matter where I'm at. And to know that it's all within one plus area, within a 60-minute drive in any direction, is just, the logistics of it is incredible. So I foresee Youngstown as being our flagship world headquarters. This will absolutely be an international company. We already have sales in a couple of different countries outside of the United States. And we are going to build a very strong, vibrant company based here in Youngstown. We will rank up against any metropolitan area in this country and come out on top.